Rudy, Dorman will soon be releasing a complete all-filter housing that fits all Pentastar engines from Gen 1 to Gen 2. Really? Are you serious? Hold on, let me finish reading. Part number 926, 959. It retrofits Gen 1 with the 2014 and a filter, and also works on second and third gen engine. Third gen? Why the hell we building them for third gen? I've replaced one. I have. I take that back. I don't know why. I think I replaced it. Oh, I needed a sensor on it. Instead of just doing the sensor, I ended up doing, I can't remember. But ladies and gentlemen, Rudy 73 chimed in to let everybody with a Pentastar know that Dorman will soon be releasing the complete. You know, before they wasn't compatible with the Gen 1, so I guess they caught a lot of flack for that. Rudy, I'm tripping, man. Thanks for the info. All right. However, hold on. Make sure y'all understand. We need to see eye to eye. However, me personally, I am a diehard OEM guy. So I'm doing Mopar OEM. I've never put one of the Dermans on. Are they good? Anybody done one? Now I know Motor City Mechanic made a video on it. That's my dude. I went over there and watched it, chopped it up with him about it and all that good stuff. I haven't done one. You just gotta transfer stuff. No big deal. It's the same thing. But that's what's up, Rudy. Appreciate the info. I have the Derman off at the house on my Jeep. No more leaks. That's what's up. Prayer. Good for you, buddy. What's up, Rudy? Good to know. I still keep checking my 3.2 Derman going on when it leaks. That's what's up, man. Y'all stay on top of the more leaks. We don't want no engines locked up for foolishness.